It's me, Cutecraftswithamani here, and today we are going to be making earrings just like these ones. So if you really want to know how to make these, then go ahead and keep on watching. Let's get right into it. Pshoo! So the things that you will need are some hooks, some pin looking things, a bag, and beads. Pick whatever beads you would like, but make sure that they have holes in them so you can put the pins through. Do this twice. Oh, also, be sure to get some pliers to put everything together. You may also need a hot glue gun depending on how big your beads are. First step, get your pins and put the beads on if they are big enough. If not, then go ahead and continue watching so you can learn how to put big beads onto your pins. Whoops! Looks like your bead's about to fall. If you need to make it fit, then go ahead and use a glue gun. So basically what you are doing is putting the glue onto the pin, and then you're just going to put the bead right onto it. You're going to let it sit for a couple minutes and then do the next one. Once you're done, be sure to put on the other beads that you want to put onto your earring piece. I chose pink and silver. Do it twice. Here's what your earring should look like. Now it's time to add on the hooks. I chose silver. Now put your pin with all of the beads on through the hook. And when you do this, you're going to wrap it around so it's safely surrounding the beads. After you're done applying the hook onto the beads, you're going to be sure to use your pliers, if you have some, to secure the finished product. And here's your finished product. It's a great gift for any celebration. Hope you enjoy this video. Also, if you want it to look even better than it already is, be sure to put it in a plastic bag, then tie a bow around it. It's been long enough. Let's shout out the Notification Squad winners. The Notification Squad winners today are Dianara and Noof. Thank you for putting in the hashtag Notification Squad. Have a crafty day. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys think I should do next. Bye, crafty girls. Have a crafty day. Pew! Oh, wait. Also, be sure to put in the hashtag Notification Squad to get your shout out. Bye, crafty girls. Have a real crafty day. Pew!